So I started on dry hair, so that's why I am trying to get my hair wet, but you should definitely start on soaking wet hair. It'll just be easier. I'm really like just doing whatever for the bubbles. I'm just gonna try my best to keep them the same, so. Okay. And then I'm gonna wrap them twice. Okay, wait, maybe I want to wrap this 3 times. Okay, you can just fluff it out if you need to. Okay, so now these are gonna get a little thin because my hair is not necessarily in this. Friend, girlfriend, I know my hair was not blended here. I know, but I don't know if I just didn't see it. I don't really know what was going on, but it's gonna get better. I promise. Just trust the process, please. Started doing my hair outside of the camera, so sorry about that, but I literally am just like lifting my end up and just tying it into a bubble and making it its own bubble. So it's not just like hair hanging. I had to go add some hoops for, you know, special effect. I think it just looks better with hoops, so yeah, I love it. I love this look, and I actually got it from Grownish. So yeah, I've been wanting to do this look for like a year now, maybe longer. I don't remember, but a long time.